How to remove all tag photos on Facebook at once. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to remove all tagged photos on Facebook at once. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. Open Facebook app on your phone and make sure to log into your account. Navigate to three-line icon at top right corner to access menu. Scroll down, select Setting and Privacy. Now tap Settings. Now scroll down. Look for the option of Activity Log. You will find it under Your Activity section. Now expand the option of Your Facebook activity and navigate to activity you are tagged in. Tap on Manage Tags. To remove tags, tap on All button in top left corner to select all the posts. Scroll down and tap on Remove Tags to untag yourself from this post. Tap Remove Tabs. And with that, you are good to go. You have successfully removed all tag photos at once. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.